Welcome to Foxtecc. If your AirPods are sounding quieter than usual, there are a few possible reasons for it. This could be either a software issue or a hardware problem, but luckily most of these can be fixed easily. Let's go through the main things you should check to get your AirPods back to full volume. First, make sure your iPhone isn't limiting the maximum volume. Go to Settings, Sounds, and Haptics, Phone Safety, and look for the Reduce Loud Sounds option. If this is turned on, your iPhone automatically lowers the volume past a certain level to protect your hearing. Either disable it completely or adjust the limit to allow higher volume, depending on your preference. If this setting was restricting the volume, turning it off should immediately make a difference. Another software-related issue could be an audio imbalance. If one AirPod seems louder than the other, go to Settings, Accessibility, then Audio Visual, and check the balance slider. This should be set to the middle so that both AirPods play sound at equal levels. If the slider is shifted too far to one side, one AirPod might sound quieter or even completely muted. If software settings aren't the problem, the issue could be dirt or earwax blocking the speaker mesh. Over time, debris can build up, making your AirPods sound muffled. Try gently cleaning the speaker mesh using a soft brush or dry cloth. Avoid using anything wet or sharp that could damage them. Even a small layer of dust can affect the sound quality, so giving them a quick clean might restore the volume. Finally, I'll also link to a Reddit post from someone who claims to have fixed this issue using a more unconventional method. I can't personally confirm whether it works, but a lot of people seem to have had success with it. If nothing else has helped, it might be worth checking out. Let me know in the comments if any of these fixes worked for you. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.